Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
It's been a great historic day for the markets and for the Indian people. The first time since independence, we have a non-UPA, non-Congress government for consecutive terms, as Mr. Narendra Modi has been elected again unanimously with an overwhelming majority. So it's a great day for all of us as Indians. A hearty congratulations to the BJP and to all the people of India who went out and voted for a new stable government which is likely to be at the center for the next 5 years. So today we titled our presentation as History Will Not Repeat Itself. You may actually be able to see this inversely, I think. What's really happened? If you see 2014, the Dow Jones was in a continuous up move. In 2014, there was a correction in and around August to September in 2013, and subsequently the Dow continued to move up. What happened in India in 2014? Very similar situation happened. So we had an exit poll in 2014 which said that the NDA would get somewhere around 280 odd seats. But the NDA actually ended up getting 340 plus seats. So what happened to the markets? The Nifty prior to the 2014 election had a 8% end-to-end rally as on the date of counting. So right from the exit poll till the day the actual result was announced, there was an 8% rally in the Nifty. Just the rally from the exit poll announcement to the high was about 13.5%. So what happened really is that after the market poll, after the exit poll, the market discounted the rally as far as the exit polls were concerned. And even though the exit polls actually were on the conservative side and the actual results were significantly higher. So the NDA actually ended up getting about 340 seats instead of the 283 seats which were predicted. The market didn't move much. So most of the rally, so the 7% of the rally came in just before the day of the announcement. We probably had a 1% rally on closing basis in 2014. Just to quickly look at the open interest in the markets in 2014, the bank Nifty had a 42% rise in open interest from the exit poll to the date of the actual announcement of the markets, of the results. This is a huge rise in open interest. Now, what is happening today in today's markets? I'll hand it over to Umesh to explain what's happening in 2019.
Thank you. So, 2019, we are saying there isn't a much significant increase in open interest, and that's very surprising. So either people don't want to take risk in spite of positive exit poll that NDA will come back to power, and this time the results are in line with exit poll. So there is no big positive surprise. So last time in 2014 there was a positive surprise, but in spite of that, market had corrected in 2014 from the highs. Currently also we are witnessing the same trend. Markets have started to correct from the highs, and this is what we think, that history will not repeat itself. Number one, that people don't want to take risk. Not that they don't think that BJP will not do, but the risk-taking appetite is less because global factors are really not in favor of both micro and macro factors. That is the reason why we think that this markets are at high level. Although emotionally, yes, there is a big win. Politics is what about emotion, but market is all about rationality, and people should not get carried away either by investing at the top. So this is what the ideal situations are. So wait for correction. Let market settle down. Let this week pass. Opportunities will be available. From a trading point of view, also getting into the market and buying at this level is also very risky, because given that there is no conviction, there is no real, and this is the reason why people have started betting in options, and that is the reason why option there is very high volatility, because people, if they have conviction, they will buy futures. But if they want to take a chance, then I think people have really shifted to options market. That is the reason why high volatility is there. So yes, elections are great and BJP has come with a greater majority, but markets, yes, will really take time because ultimately international factors will pan out. In domestic factors are also there, liquidity crisis is also there, how the government will try and sort out. So all those factors, rationality will really come in. The emotional part will be out maybe by this or by Friday. And we think that investors, yes, our list is there, but they should buy in dips, they should buy in corrections. Currently, there is no margin of safety. So the markets are really at high level, and it is better to wait and watch and not get carried away in this election euphoria.
Okay. So I think to sum it up, what we are trying to say is that in 2014, there was an expectation that the NDA would get 280. They got 340, and the market actually had discounted most of it prior to the day of the actual announcement. The same is the situation in 2019 in the sense that the market has discounted most of the forward positivity, the forward earnings or the forward upside that may come in because of the NDA government. अभी at 11,850, 11,900 जहाँ पर ऑल टाइम हाई आ गया है मार्केट में, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि एक नया इन्वेस्टर आए और अभी नया पैसा एलोकेट करे एंड फॉर देम टू बी एबल टू मेक मनी. What is important from a today's point of view is that every investor needs to take a cautious approach. Euphoria है, अगर आप कोई भी जनरल न्यूज चैनल देखोगे तो लोग अपनी ऊंची आवाजों में बात कर रहे हैं, एनडीए 340, एक यूफोरिक एनवायरनमेंट बन गया है. इंपॉर्टेंट है कि इन्वेस्टर्स एंड निवेशक ये यूफोरिक एनवायरनमेंट से कैरिड अवे ना हो जाए. आपको एक स्टेडी लिस्ट ऑफ स्टॉक्स ढूंढना चाहिए. हमने हमारी फ्राइडे की प्रेजेंटेशन में 7-8 स्टॉक्स का नाम दिया था जो आपको अगले 5 साल तक रीजनेबली वेल ग्रोथ और आपको अच्छी कंपाउंडिंग दे सकते हैं. दैट इज व्हाट द आइडिया इज कि 5 साल तक अभी हमें एक स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट मिली है. इंस्टेड ऑफ ट्राइंग टू बाय फैंसी नेम्स, अच्छा होगा कि अगर हम स्टेबल नेम्स ले जो 20-25% कंपाउंड कर सकते हैं. सो इफ आई वाज टू क्विकली रिकैप, जो हमने 7 नाम लिए थे उस दिन, उसमें गोदरेज कंज्यूमर प्रोडक्ट्स था, एचडीएफसी लाइफ था, सीडीएसएल था, पेज इंडस्ट्रीज, एक्सो नोबल. सो दीज वर द काइंड ऑफ नेम्स. उनको कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि वेदर बीजेपी गवर्नमेंट है या कोई और गवर्नमेंट है. ये अच्छी कंपनीज है जो स्टेबल गवर्नमेंट के आने की वजह से इकोनॉमिक ग्रोथ जो स्टेबल होगी उसमें इनको थोड़ा इंक्रीमेंटली एडिशनल फायदा होगा. आई थिंक लोगों को फैंसी नेम्स, रियलिटी सेक्टर, बैंकिंग सेक्टर, ये यूफोरिया में नहीं आना चाहिए. उनको यू शुड नॉट एलोकेट मनी इन दिस सेक्टर. हो सकता है कि आपको शॉर्ट पीरियड में 20-30% का अपमूव देखने मिले, बट ये सेक्टर्स की काफी अभी भी प्रॉब्लम है. इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन फॉर ऑल दी सेक्टर्स इज स्टिल नॉट वेरी वेरी गुड. सो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आगे जाके इलेक्शन का इम्पैक्ट, एज उमेश भाई सेड, अभी खत्म हो जाएगा. ज्यादा से ज्यादा ये फ्राइडे तक चलेगा. जून के बाद इट इज कंप्लीटली गोइंग टू बी ड्रिवन बाय मॉनसून, अर्निंग्स एंड ग्लोबल मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक फैक्टर्स. सो इलेक्शन का रिजल्ट आई थिंक बाय द एंड ऑफ द मंथ एक बार स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी खत्म हो जाएगी, उसके बाद कोई देखने नहीं वाला है क्या हुआ है. आई थिंक द नेक्स्ट ट्रिगर, एज वी राइटली सेड in our Friday presentation, the next trigger would probably come in and around the budget, जहां पे अपने को पता चलेगा कि क्या गवर्नमेंट फिस्कल स्टेप्स लेती है, मॉनेटरी पॉलिसी का क्या डायरेक्शन होता है, ओवरऑल इकोनॉमी का क्या ट्रेंड होगा, एंड उसके बेसिस पे जो कंपनीज की अर्निंग्स है उसका क्या ट्रेंड होगा. सो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट पीपल नीड टू लुक एट. बीजेपी जीती है, अच्छी बात है, बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप 12,000 में जाके निफ्टी खरीदे. ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है कि आप जस्ट बिकॉज बीजेपी जीती है तो ये 12,000 से 13,000 निफ्टी ओवरनाइट हो जाएगी. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. इनफैक्ट अगर आप आज भी देखें तो जो माहौल हमें देखने मिला है वो सेल ऑन राइज का है. ऊपर में निफ्टी 12,000 से 11,850 तक आ गई. इवन सेंसेक्स में 500-600 पॉइंट का करेक्शन देखने को मिला है. तो प्लीज एक्साइटमेंट में कोई भी ट्रेड नहीं करना चाहिए. किसी भी इन्वेस्टर या ट्रेडर को सोच के, संभल के ट्रेडिंग और इन्वेस्टिंग इनिशिएट करनी चाहिए. और एक बार अगर थोड़ी रीजनेबल करेक्शन मिले, रीजनेबल मार्जिन ऑफ सेफ्टी मिले, फिर आप एलोकेट करें. उससे अच्छा बेटर होगा कि तब तक यू सिट ऑन द साइड लाइन एंड वेट एंड वॉच.
थैंक यू.